In today's video, I am going to teach you how to cancel your Grammarly Premium subscription. If you've decided to move back to the free plan or you simply don't need premium features right now, I'll guide you through the exact clicks so you can turn off auto-renew quickly and confidently. First, open your browser and sign in at Grammarly.com. Use the same account you used to purchase premium so the system can find your active plan. Once you are logged in, you'll land on your Grammarly dashboard. Next, look to the left-hand side and select Account. Then choose Subscription. This area shows your current plan, renewal date, and payment information. It's the control center for managing billing. So it's where the cancellation option lives. If the navigation panel is collapsed, hover or click to expand it so you can see account clearly. On the subscription page, scroll all the way to the bottom until you see the Cancel Subscription option. This is intentionally placed near the end of the page below your plan details, so you can review what's included before you leave. When you are ready, click Cancel Subscription. A short series of on-screen prompts will appear. Follow them in order, click Continue. Select a reason for canceling and confirm your choice. Sometimes you may see offers or reminders about features you'll lose. That's normal, keep moving forward until you reach the final confirmation. Don't close the tab early, wait for the completion screen so the change is saved to your account. After you confirm, Grammarly will switch your account to the free plan at the end of your current billing period. That means you keep premium features until your paid time runs out, and then your account will stop renewing. Your documents and settings stay in place. You simply lose access to premium, only checks and suggestions once the downgrade takes effect. If an email confirmation arrives, save it for your records. One quick note about billing. Cancellations affect future renewals, not past charges, so you usually won't receive a prorated refund for the current period. The free plan still provides essential spelling and grammar checks. And you can upgrade again anytime for advanced features. That's all there is to it. You signed in at Grammarly.com, went to Account, open Subscription. Scroll to the bottom to find Cancel Subscription, and completed the prompts by clicking Continue, choosing a reason and confirming. The whole process only takes a minute or two when you know where to click. If you plan to return later, you can upgrade again from the same subscription page at any time. Thanks for watching.